Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will walk you through how you can add products in your Shopify store. So click on the products and click on add product, and this is the product form which we need to fill out. So here you will add the title of the product. Let me just copy and paste the title, Swift Light Brimmer, and here you can add the description of the product. Okay, in the description you can do the formatting, like you can add the heading. Let's try to add a heading over there. So this is my heading and this is heading 2. You can change to heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I will keep that heading 2. You can select the text and make bold, and you can make the text italic, underline, and from here you can change the text color as well. And next you can do the alignment of the text, left align, center line and right align. And similarly you can insert the image in the description. From here you can insert any image in the description. So let's say I want to add this image, and done, and it will add the image in my description. Let's remove that. And similarly you can insert the video, and you can insert the iframe over here, which you can grab from the Google, YouTube or Vimeo, and you can place the video in the description as well. Next we have 3 dots. You can add the bullet list and number list and outdent and indent, and you can insert the table as well. And from here you can clear all the formatting. If you select that and clear formatting, it will clear the formatting. Okay, show HTML. You can add the HTML, like you see we have a div over here, and you can add the HTML if you like strong. This is bold text, and you can close the strong tag. So this is how you can add the HTML in the description. Okay, next you can upload the media over here. You can select the existing file, you can select any of the existing file, or you can add a new media from your computer, and you can select the media from your computer. And also you can select let me just add this media, and you can also select the image from a URL. So let's try to add a new image from the URL. You can click plus sign and you can click on add from the URL, and you will paste the image URL, add image, and it will grab the product image from the given media. So let's add that, and now let's try to add another media from the URL. So you paste the URL over here, add media, and it will take some time to add that media in the. And you can also add the videos and 3D models and the files as well. Okay, so I have 2 product images. Let me just unselect this one and click on done. And you can change the position. You can make it this default image, or you can make this default image. And from here you can select the categories of the product. In the pricing section, you can add the price. In my case, I have my original price is $50 and the sale price is $35, and the cost is, let's say, $20 if I am purchasing from somewhere, and I'm purchasing this item from the $20 per item, and my profit will be 15%, and this is my margin, and I'm selling that in 35, and I say the original price is $50. So here you can track the inventory of your product. So you can select the shop location where you have your inventory, and you can add the inventory over here, let's say 12 over here, and in this shop location I have 15, and continue selling when out of stock. This option, when you check this option, you can sell the product if the product is out of stock, like you can take the pre-orders, and here you can define the SKU. In my case 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and the barcode of the product, you can add the barcode of the product here. In the shipping section, you need to define if this is a physical product. Yes, this is a physical product, and you can add the weight like 1.1 kg, or you can select the metric from here, lb, oz, kg and grams. And in the variant section, you can add the variants like color, white, age group and hardware features and Unix. You can add all the variants. Let's try to add a variant over here, color, and in the color we have a white option, and you can add more color like black, blue, brown, and similarly you can add another option for the size. So let me add another variant, another option, create custom option, size. You have let me add the size option name, size, small and medium and large. So this is how you can add the options and the product variants, and from here you can define the prices and everything. Let's try to open this and go to this small one, and here you can add the price, cost, profit and everything. If you have a different price for a different variant, you can change the price. So in my case, I have the same price for all. Okay, then we have a product meta fields. We will discuss this later. If you want extra field for your product, you can add the meta fields over here, and we will discuss the product meta field in detail in another video. And from here you can change the search engine listing, like you can change the product title, page title where your product will be displayed, and the meta description, you can add the meta description, and also you can change the product handle from here. Okay, if I go to the right side of this form, you can make the product active, or you can make the product draft if you are not ready to launch the product yet. And from here you can change the publishing. You can make select the sale channel where you would like to show this product, online store, point of sale or inbox. So you can change this sale channel from here. In the product organization, you can add the product type, what kind of this product is, and from here you can select the vendor, which is the vendor, and from here you can select the collection, in which collection this product will go, and from here you can add the tags of the products, and you can also type the new tag as well, like this, and you can add tags. So from here you can select the template. If you have multiple layouts for your product, you can add the different template to this product. So click on save, and once the product is saved, you can view that in your store. So let's preview that. Okay, as you can see, we have vendor, we have title, we have compare price, we have sale price, and we have colors, and then we have sizes and quantity, add to cart button, and this is our description. So this is very simple to add the product in Shopify. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.